Hi. Today, my friend forwarded one Skyview Devanahalli paper ad. It's in Times of India, I guess. I thought, okay, so many people will look, just like in 2017, I also looked and I also got that friend to the site, and then, we booked it with minimal amount and then we paid everything there, right? Okay. So similarly, today, people whoever watch that ad thinking that okay, this is a great investment opportunity in North Bangalore or near airport, so I would like to caution them. So see, the discount or whatever that they are offering, okay, that's like a marketing strategy. Anyone like try to do it, so don't get lured with those discounts. Like in February 14th, Valentine's Day, they did 14 lakhs discount. Okay, come on. 14 lakhs discount. Okay, and then like I will also show you a few more old ads, new ads, and watch what are the things that you need to watch out. Okay, so yeah, but if we are still thinking to buy, I mean, I'm discussing to the new buyer, and also there are few things that also want to let the existing buyer also I want to ask. So there are 10 questions that I have listed, so that okay, no, like suppose you already made a mind that okay, I want to get this great opportunity. Okay, at least ask this 10 question to the salesperson or the people who are you talking when you visit like Skyview Devanahalli or like either at the sales office, wherever, right? Okay, at least that will give you idea exactly where you are, where exactly Skyview Devanahalli is there. Okay, so you can make decision out of those 10. Okay, this will helpful for definitely for you. Okay, so please watch fully, ask this 10 question to them, and then if you get a satisfactory answer, then go ahead and book. So before that, okay, let me show you that okay, what are the different ads, okay, particularly what specialized today's ad is. Okay, let me show you. So here are some of the ads where you can see here. Okay, this is published in Rajasthan, some newspaper. Again, this is some Instagram related thing. Okay, you can see that lot of different offer, all those things that maybe you can pause and watch those things. Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, this is the publication that my friend forwarded from Times of India. You can see here ready to possess. Okay, meaning that okay, you can see that okay, this is ready to take position. That is Venus D block. Okay, now at least I'm in a group where like people are waiting for to take a position. They did not got call, but how can these people can able to claim it, right? Okay, so be cautious. Okay, you can see here 50% off, 14 lakhs discount. Okay, blah blah blah, you pay this one. Okay, so there are plenty of marketing tactics they use, and this is a trend. Okay, I can clearly see that okay, from the past what they are trying to do it, and they are going to do it same year. Okay, so it's not that okay, golden opportunity where that you can able to get right away, something like that. Okay, but definitely these 10 questions are very important. Okay, so if you need to ask them, you need to ask now. Okay, so but let me take you those 10 questions first. So you saw the ads. Okay, so the ads are same pattern. You get a discount. Even I fell into that one, and I'm the sufferer now. And there are many people, not intense, even hundreds. Okay, there are many people. But okay, so like if you saw the ad and thinking to buy Skyview Devanahalli, marketed by Vinra Group, or even from Mahakara developer or India Estate, Sanchaya, whatever it is there. So this 10 questions that I have listed here, but I'll ask what you need to ask this to the salesperson or whoever you talks with them. Okay, so that you get a clarity on this one. Okay, first thing that okay, when you say when they market you the Skyview Devanahalli thing, right? Okay, ask them okay one question, first question. Okay, what is the main company behind this project? Okay, which is the main company, right? Okay, no, the company must be having something, right? Okay, so check with them that okay, what is the main company, right? Okay, but I'll tell you that okay, because what they are going to tell I don't know, but what I will tell you that at least you will get some idea. The main company is called Sanchaya Estate and Land Private Limited, or Sanchaya Land and Estate Private Limited. I'm just confused there, but this is Sanchaya. Keep that in mind. Okay, they are the main owner. Even the latest EC when I picked up, then it shows that they are the owner, right? Okay, so they are the one, and now they are linked with ED case, Enforcement Directorate case. And I will also read out from the notification what they had from 2024, and I'll come back to this one. Okay, first ask them question, what is the main company behind them, right? Okay, so that you will get a clarity. Okay, now coming to the second question. Okay, so what is the relationship between Vinra Group and Sanchaya, that is the main owner of the Skyview Devanahalli, and Mahakara? Okay, because you must be seen in that ad developed by Mahakara, then like a strategic partner or like marketed by Vinra Group, but you never seen Sanchaya Estate and Land Private Limited there. Okay, because since they are the owner, except their name you can see there. Okay, ask them that very clearly, what is the relationship between you three? Okay, because that way you will get to clarity that one why they are trying to hide Sanchaya there, right? Okay, so that is the second question. Okay, now third question. Okay, third question, like, is Mahakara is a investor or a developer? Okay, so get more details. Okay, because there is a video in my another channel. Okay, that is latest update 2026 something there. Okay, there, okay, you can see that. Okay, Vijay Tata speaks telling that okay, Mahakara is one investor, but you can see also in the ad that okay, it is developed by Mahakara. So are they investor or they developer? So this is very kind of a I don't know what is the logic here, that they are investor, they are developer. Okay, so if there is any developer or any investor, let's say developer, okay, they should have a basic website, or they must be having some proven previous project saying that okay, these are the thing. I did a lot of research about them. Okay, unfortunately I did not got their basic website, even including company details, including the owner or a director of this one. Okay, so this seems to be for me a fishy, but I mean, again, as I'm saying that okay, this is based on the Google search what I try to do it, some other sources whatever I throw there. Okay, try to ask them that okay, what are they investor? Mahakara is an investor or a developer? If they did it, what are the previous develop they did? Okay, that would be the third question. Now fourth question. Okay, so again, this is related back to the previous two question. Okay, like they have given sponsored content in a business standard. I mean, because they want to show that okay, there is some standard when they publish, but basically it's a business and a sponsored content. Okay, so nothing you see them that okay, they have listed in The Week or some other publications, those are sponsored at. Okay, get away, don't get away with that. Okay, so they mentioned that okay, fourth question. Okay, under the MOU, okay, so they have mentioned that there is a MOU between Vinra and Mahakara. Okay, so to play in execution and funding. Okay, they mentioned even 100 crore get raising the fund. Okay, so and also they talk about Mahakara as an investment partner, like where they are raising the fund. Is it from the investment partner or is it from the people like you and me? And then what will happen, right? Okay, check with that what is the exact role on these things, right? Okay, that is the fourth question. And the fifth question is that okay, let's assume that okay, like if you are going to book this apartment, get the agreement signed done. Okay, who will be the signing authority on that agreement? Okay, so check with them very clearly. Is it Sanchaya or is it like Mahakara? Is it like Vinra Group? By this you will get to know that okay, what is the relationship between them. If it is a Sanchaya, then there are questions now which I will tell you. I think it's in 9th question or somewhere about ED case thing. I'll let you know there. Okay, but be careful on that one. Okay, now 6th question. Okay, so like see, I am in a part of a group where lot of hundreds of unsatisfied investor, the existing buyers who are either waiting for refund through court case or through RERA, or people are waiting for home to get it delivered them. Okay, now these people are aggressively marketing, which I showed you, and also they did it all sort of marketing there to get people, right? Okay, be careful that they can sell any of our those 100 people, including mine, they can sell. Okay, what are the possibilities here, right? Okay, the possibility is that, let's assume maybe I'm looking for refund. Okay, there are other buyers who are looking for home. What if the apartment which you liked and booked, now it is in case which you don't know, or they will not let you know there. Okay, now if in case refund, that's fine. What if that, if the buyer wanted to them, and also I heard, I heard in that WhatsApp group that someone already did housewarming, without OC. How can someone do housewarming? I know technically there no one is living, but this is what I heard, that even people got registration also done. So no OC also registration done. Who knows, whatever the flat that you are planning to book is with already there, and you stuck up there like once it is there, right? So try to get, if in case encumbrance certificate or some key khata details or whatever the specific to your flat, so that you don't end up in a dispute still after you thinking to buy. Now 7th question. As per RERA, so you must be seeing that in a bold, the RERA number they have written. Yeah, they have valid up to, I guess, 2027. But if you read that RERA, why they give an extension to 2027, they very clearly mentioned about the delay of the project, and they very clearly mentioned about that there are so many RERA case has been filed. And there is also, they clearly mentioned that there are so many court cases are there. And even in that RERA thing, they clearly mentioned that, within 4 months, who are requesting for refund, they will be able to there. And I am the one person who did not get refund so far. Like from 2022 after district consumer court, which I won, still I did it. So most probably the other people aren't there. This is a RERA clarity, right? Now you ask them that, what is the status of those pending complaints? What are the refund issued despite 2022 orders, buyer, association, all those things, right? Get clarity on this one. Yes, you have extension to 2027. What about the promises that you did it to a RERA? So get clarity on this one. And coming to the 8th, so yeah, this is important. So now all the way initially I was asking, trying to not link, but basically Skyview Devanahalli is from Sanchaya Estate and Land Private Limited, or Sanchaya Land under the private. I'll next, in the next video, definitely I'll get it clarified, this one. But whatever, the Sanchaya, right? There is a ED case, which I will going to read from the notification from the ED itself. Just give me a moment. I'm pulling this thing, ED. This is very important. So press release. Press release from the ED. So you don't need to worry where I'm looking for. All those things I will try to link them somewhere. I will add it in Google Drive and then provide this link so that you can have this reference. So I'm just going to read the press release, which is in 5th March 2024. It was almost 2 years. Coincidentally, yesterday was 2 years, but still the AD case is there. The last hearing supposed to be happen on 17th of February. It got adjourned, but the case is still there. But I'll read you that. Director of Enforcement, ED, Bangalore has conducted research operation on 29/2/2024 and 1/3/2024 at 8 locations in Bangalore under the provision of Prevention of Money Laundering Act PMLA 2002 at a residential premises of accused person Vijay R Tata and his associates. So I'll just skip some of the name. So and also related companies with Sanchaya Land and Estate Private Limited. It is in ED notification. Vijay R Tata, Vijay Ravipati Tata, and Sanchaya Land and Estate Private Limited, and they are the owner of Skyview. Okay, so you need to keep in mind that, okay, what are you dealing with? Okay, during the search operation, bank accounts of said person and companies have present balance of about 11.25 crore were seized, frozen by the ED. The search has resulted seizure of document related to movable properties worth 120 crore. So I am assuming that, okay, those seizure of document related to movable properties may be Skyview, because I think Sanchaya have that only, I guess, nothing else there. Okay, so it is already frozen there, right? Now what they are saying, right? Okay, ED initiated investigation on the basis of FIR registered by Bangalore police under various section of IPC 1860 and Karnataka Protection of Interest Depositors Exorbitant KPIDE Act 2004 against MS, Sanchaya Land and Estate Private Limited and others. It was allegedly in the FIR that, again, MS, Sanchaya Land and Estates Private Limited and others collected huge amount of fund from the customers / home buyers by promising to give them apartments, but neither apartment were given nor funds were returned to the customer. Okay, so you can see the gravity of the issues here, right? Okay. ED investigation revealed that MS, Sanchaya Land and Estate Private Limited and others collected more than 250 crore from the customer by promising giving them apartment. However, the accused persons sniffed off substantial part of said funds to themselves and their associate after routing the funds through various entities, thereby failed to deliver apartment to customer. Further investigation in under progress. As I said that, okay, so that is going on. Okay, so this will sum up everything, right? Okay, so you should be very careful what you are dealing with. Okay, so I would request that, okay, you ask this question. I'll tell that last one question also. Let me open that. Okay. Okay, now after all of these things, okay, then if you still think that you want to book for your safety, ask them, okay, if there is a delay in the agreement, like delivery of the judgment, what is the penalty clause, like whether they will cover rent or EMI. See, again, this is last, that if you still want to buy it, because just want to safety purpose in the agreement so that you are safeguarded there, that no, because even like I'll tell you, even court orders also, they are not budging, right? Okay, so they are so thick-fagged people, so I don't think so. But just like still, like if you still thinking there, like try to add this point also there. Okay, now and also, yeah, ask this question. Okay, so I'll try to put those 10 questions also in the description so that, okay, it is easy for you copy and paste and then can ask them. Okay. See, I am here to tell the facts based on my research. Okay, I'm nothing alleging about them. As I said, I read ED notice and I showed you whatever the paper ads that they showed. I'm just trying to make you aware so that, okay, your hard-earned money is safe. Okay, don't be in the trap like what I did, my friends, like hundreds of buyers there. Okay, because it is very clearly trend. So many you can see there that, okay, this people intention is to not to deliver the home, to divert. That is as per ED thing there, right? Okay, so there are so many questions apart from this. Okay, like there are many questions which I get. Okay, so in the previous meeting, which you can also see in the one of the video, they say that, which I told already, Mahakara is the investor, also developer. So that's kind of a raising question as well. Okay, now there, like again, Vinra saying that, okay, strategic partner, investment partner, Mahakara, then they're raising 100 crore fund. Like, no, what they are trying to do it, very clueless. Okay, now in the meetings, like personally, I never met the present directors of Sanchaya, but I always see Vijay Ravipati Tata appearing in the public meetings. Okay, now I don't know whether he claims to be that investor, but if he is an investor, why would he be coming rather than owners or existing directors appearing here? Okay, that's very clearly shows some fishiness here. Okay, now the new investor also, right? Okay, investor come developer also, right? Okay, now this also seems to be suspicious. Okay, so again, as I'm saying, I'm not alleging, I'm trying to understand this one. Okay, if they can give a clarity, that would be helpful for everyone, including new buyers, existing people also there. So lot of things that are unanswered here. Why Vijay Ravipati Tata, being investor, attending all public meeting, making statement like a owner. Even in one of the email from India owns estate also, they mentioned owner of India estate also, right? Okay, so now you can think that, okay, now I would not to say the word which I want to say here, but just I want to be safe myself, that okay, now you can think that he is a owner or as an investor, but still doing all those things. Similarly, right? Okay, now you can see that all the ads, right? Okay, whatever the ads that they shown you, they try to get lured with so much discount, all those things. So that's a practice. Okay, I have shown you that, okay, the same flat 2 BHK starts from 11 lakhs something to now like somewhere around 39 lakhs, right? Okay, so same things there. Okay, so nothing matters there. Okay, so nothing you gonna say here. So please, my humble request, okay, if you are still thinking to invest in Skyview Devanahalli, marketed by Vinra Group or Mahakara developer or India's state Skyview or Sanchaya, please careful, ask them question, get clarity. Without that clarity, please don't proceed, because not it's me and my friend, there are 100 of investor, existing buyers, I would say that one. Okay, investors, Vijay Ravipati is also investor, but okay, so hundreds of other buyers either waiting for refund through court case or a RERA, or like hundreds of people are waiting to get their home delivered, right? Okay, so I hope you got some clarity. Yeah, please, like, no, if you need any questions, okay, please comment here, I'll try to respond them. Okay, so for existing buyer also, like, try to get those 10 questions clarity as well. Okay, like why they are marketing without Sanchaya there, who are those people, like why they are not even telling clarity the relationship between them, right? Okay, there must be something, right? Okay, just because like now today also can I go there saying that okay, I'm marketing Skyview Devanahalli? I can't, right? Okay, there must be something between the main owner and me there, right? Okay, but they never revealed it, right? Okay, so ask the clarity, right? Okay, so getting clarity is utmost important. So that's it, and very soon I will try to get some more details, like about FIR, the latest FIR file that we are getting against Sanchaya, Vijay Ravipati Tata and the other people involved it, including that Skyview. And also I'll try to talk about ED case as well in detail very soon. Okay, as I said, like, my intention is to get aware so that like hard-earned money can be saved. Thank you. That's it. And if you really want to make this video like delivered to many investors, please like it, share it, or comment it, so that okay, the relevant people who are thinking to invest, okay, they will be at least get some idea before they're investing it. Thank you.